Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 5.1. It is second part of this exercise. Question number 9. The given figure is, you see this figure carefully. Here two lines AB and CD intersect to each other at point O, and another line OE is also drawn from this point O. Here five angles are formed: angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question number first is angle 1 and 2 are adjacent to each other? Yes or not? Dear students, here we see angle 1, that is AOC, and angle 2 is COE. Both have common vertex, that is O, and a common arm OC. If two angles have common vertex and common arm, then they are known as adjacent angles. So we can say yes, angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Dear students, in previous video we will discuss different types of angles. So by the properties of adjacent angles, angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Second question is angle AOC. Angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Dear students, here we see angle AOC and angle AOE both have common vertex, but there is no common arm. OC is not common arm for these two angles. C is interior point of AOE. So we can say that this angle and this angle are not adjacent angle. We also write reason here. No, angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE because they have common interior point C, which is not correct. Third is, do angle COE, here we see COE and other angle COD, COE and COD, this form a linear pair? Answer is no, because as we know, two angles are linear pair if they have a common vertex and sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. But here we find that angle COE and COD both are different angles. COE and COD. COD is 180 degree because it is on a straight line and a straight angle become 180 degree. But angle COE is another angle which lie on it. So we can say that it is not true. Angle COE and angle EOD is a linear pair. So we write here, no, angle COE and angle COD do not form a linear pair. Question number 4 is, are BOD and DOA, BOD and DOA supplementary angles? Answer is yes, because angle BOD and angle DOA both lie on same base. It is a straight line, and as we know, on a straight line a straight angle is formed and value of a straight angle is 180 degree. So sum of angle 4 and angle 5 becomes 180 degree, and answer is yes. Angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary because they form a straight angle. Question number 5 is angle 1 vertically opposite to 4? Answer is yes, because angle 1 and angle 4 formed by intersecting two lines, and as we know, when two lines intersect to each other, then they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 is vertically opposite angle of 4. Answer is yes, angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4. And the last question of this exercise, not exercise, last part of this question is, what is the vertically opposite angle of 5? Answer of this question is, vertically opposite angle of 5 is 2 and 3, because here two lines AB and CD intersect to each other at point O. So vertically opposite angle of 5 is 2 and 3. So answer is written here. BOC is the vertically opposite angle of 5. BOC, that is angle 2 and 3. Question number 12. Find the value of x, y and z. Dear students, see carefully this figure. Here angle 40 degree and angle y becomes a straight angle. So value of these two angles become 180 degree. So we write angle y plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Hence angle y equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree equal to 140 degree. Again, angle z and angle 40 degree are vertically opposite angles. So value of z is 40 degree. Now angle 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree becomes a straight angle. So value of these three angles become 180 degree. We write here angle x plus 25 plus 40 equal to 180 degree. Hence angle x equal to 115 degree. In this way, this part of this exercise is completed. In next video we will discuss next question from this exercise. Thank you.